No followers? Perfect. You're in the exact position to master my step-by-step proven system with a loyal audience starting from scratch. Remember, every legacy empire started with just one follower, and you can be sure that I will follow you if you join me. Forget what you've heard. You don't need a massive following to build a successful online business. What you need is a proven system with a mentor that shares her strategies, and that's exactly what I've got. Right now, I'm going to show you how to build a loyal, engaged audience from absolutely scratch. No gimmicks, no paying for followers, just real people who can't wait to hear from you. Don't wait for followers to find you. Let's create your tribe together, starting right this second. Your first follower is just one click away. Here I am. Are you ready to lead? Remember, every empire started with just one follower, then yours begins today. Comment legacy below now to access my step-by-step guide and proven system to learn how to build your online business and your business following.